Hello children, how are you? I think you are safe at home, right? As I said before, today I am going to explain about gaming. In this session, you may download a software for creating a game. Actually, this software is 3D software. You know about this software, that software name is Unity. In this session, I will show that Unity software and you may learn how to download that Unity software. For this I am going to tap Google browser. See here, if we click on Google Chrome browser, then it will open like this window. In this window you have to type Unity. What it is? Unity. Unity 3D. You have to type 3D. If you type like this, then it will display a drop down list like this. In this you have to select this one. Then it will open a page like this. In this page you have to click on this Unity real-time development platform website. If we click on this one, then it will open like this. See here, this is Unity page, Unity software home page. If you want to download it, means you have to click on get started. Then it will display its plans and pricing page. Here once you observe this one, means it has two tabs. You have to click on individual. If you click on that tab, means then it will display like this page. In this page you have to choose personal option. No need to choose student. You have to choose personal. If you choose this one, means you may get this software freely. Now I am clicking on this one for your understanding purpose. See here, if you click on get started, means then it will display like this page. In this page you may download. Already I have downloaded this software, that's why it is displaying like this. If you click on here, means then it will display login page option or create a unit ID. If you click on here login, means then it will ask your login credentials. I have downloaded this software before, that's why it is not asking my credentials. Why? Because already I have submit my credentials, login credentials, that's why it is not asking. If you are opening this software first time, means then you have to submit your credentials. Now see, this is the store, Unity store. In this Unity store you may download any type of products. See here, get Unity. If you click on get Unity, means again it will open like this page. In this page you may choose any plan, but I have chosen this plan only. Means you may develop, if you want to develop a game and if you want to place that game in Play Store, Google Play Store, then you have to select this one. Okay, for your understanding purpose, again I am clicking on here. See here, this is download Unity with this fun or returning users. Already if you downloaded this version, if you want to upgrade that version means you have to click on here. Now I am clicking on here for first time users. See here, then it will display terms and conditions like this. If you click on agree and download means then it will download that executive file like this. See here, if you observe closely means Unity Hub setup of 1.exe. Why? Because I have already downloaded this software before, that's why it is displaying it is second time means. See here, of 1. If you are downloading first time means of 1 will not display like this. Okay, if you click on this arrow means then it will display a box like this. In this box you may choose this option or this option. If you choose this option means it will show that folder where it was downloaded. Or if you want to see that file means go to this folder. See here, this folder, yellow color folder is here in status bar. You may find it in status bar. If you click on here means then it will display like this folder. In this folder, if you click on here downloads option is there. In left pane you may find this downloads option. Here left part here is there. If you click on here then it will display all downloads here. Here is Unity Hub setup. Here is the Unity Hub setup. If you click on means then it will open that executive file. This is executive file. This is setup file. If you want to install this software into your computer, then you have to double click on that setup file. Then it will open like this box. In this box it asks your confirmation. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? If you click on yes means then it will download, then it will install that software into your computer. See here, it asks your confirmation means if you click on I agree, then it will start installing process. See here, I have downloaded this software, that's why I am not clicking on install. If you want to see that Unity software means, now I am opening that software. See here, here is the Unity. Now I am clicking on this software for your understanding purpose. Here is the software. It will take couple of minutes to open. See here, this is Unity. It will take couple of minutes. So see here, launch Unity. We recommend installing the Unity Hub for the best Unity experience. See here, continue launch Unity. Create empty button is there, empty project is there, and another one is open project. If you open any project before means, then you have to click on here. If you want to open a new project means you have to click on here. Now I am clicking on here for your understanding purpose. See here, choose project folder. If you want to create a folder means then it will store all files into that folder. So this is the process to install Unity software into your computer. Now I am going to explain about installing Visual Studio. Why we have to use Visual Studio means if we want to do any programming code to your game means it is very useful, it is very essential. That's why I am showing how to install or how to download Visual Studio into your computer. For that, again I am clicking on Google browser. Now I am clicking on a new place. See here, in this you have to click on Visual Studio. You have to click or you have to type Visual Studio. See here, if you type Visual Studio means then it will display like this list box. In this list box you have to click on Visual Studio 19 download. See here, you may choose this one or any one. Now I am choosing this one, download Visual Studio 19 for Windows and Mac. See here, you may find three options: community, professional and enterprise. You have to click on community, this one only. If you click on here means then it will download Visual Studio into your computer. See here, again if you click on here means then it will display like this box. In this box you have to click on show in folder means, see here, this is execution file or setup file. If you click on this one means then it will open and install Visual Studio into your computer. See, Visual Studio installed. See children, like this way it will download and install this Visual Studio software into your computer. These two softwares are very necessary to develop a game. Okay, I hope you understand, right? It will take a couple of minutes to complete. It is depend upon your system performance or computer performance. Completed. So like this way you have to install, Visual Studio into your computer. These two softwares, what are those? Unity and Visual Studio are very important to develop a game for your own. So I hope you understand this lesson. In next video I will start how to create 2D games and 3D games with the help of this software. Okay, thank you. And one more thing if you didn't subscribe until now, you have to subscribe. You have to click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for getting more beautiful videos. Thank you.